Okay, welcome to this demo of this completely stock Asus desktop from about 2006 based on the chip that's installed in it. I'm going to boot it up and I'm going to quickly bring up Command and Conquer Yuri's Revenge to show that it works, and then I'm going to power it down. So here we go. And here comes the boot up text. And I found out through experience that many new monitors are not backward compatible enough to display this old BIOS text. So thankfully I have a monitor that's backward compatible enough to show this stuff. Otherwise you cannot boot the machine up in safe mode, which anyone who remembers this technology knows that you kind of need to do sometimes. Now, here comes hopefully the Windows XP screen. There we go. And I'm going to adjust my video a little bit to show the true colors. Isn't that glorious? Doesn't that bring back memories of that era? There you go. How long since you've heard that? Those introductory notes for Windows XP. So now I'm going to bring up Yuri's Revenge, and you'll see that I've got Red Alert 2 installed and Yuri's Revenge. And these are my quick cheat notes for the every 30 days Windows XP needs to be activated, quote unquote. It can never be activated. Microsoft doesn't support this anymore in any way. But what I did is I put together some cheat notes. So these are step-by-step instructions that I've used a number of times to reset the 30-day activation window. And you basically do this every 30 days as soon as you see Windows prompting for activation, and you get another 30 days. So let's get out of that. And let's crank up Yuri's Revenge. Interesting that Command and Conquer Red Alert 2 can run fine under XP, but Yuri's Revenge, which came later, only runs if you set it at Windows 98/ME compatibility. Get the sound up a little bit. Oh yeah. It was a privilege to go back and replay through this classic game, just installed on a machine, no emulators, just like it was the early 2000s, turn of the millennium. And I'm playing the coolest real-time strategy game, in my opinion, of that period. Haha, here we go. And I have a special demo game that I created. I'll include the demo game on the machine. I'll delete the others. I have had a lot of fun playing this, as you'll see. Starting to get tired of it. But at least I kind of got it all out of my system. So, Skirmish Sale demo game. Oh, yeah, okay.
Mutator activated. Unit lost.
This is a very big map, as you can see. And Here we go. Here come some discs. Base defenses are responding. And I put a ton of units out here because I just wanted to show how well this machine runs with a whole bunch of units and big bases. It does occasionally slow down almost to a halt, which is annoying, but I don't know exactly what causes that. It doesn't happen very often. I'll say that. I've wasted way too much time playing this game, but just to show you what it's capable of, I'm going to launch an airstrike on something. How about that factory there? And here goes my airplanes. There they go. Go, little airplanes. They're going to take a while to get there because this is a really big map. But then again, you can see what this machine is capable of. It is capable of running this game full speed most all the time. And let's see if I take out that factory. Incoming! Hold that thought. Be there.
Unit lost.
Yeah, it's not going well. Yep, didn't quite take it out. And you can see the game did slow down a bit. It looked like, I think, just a bit. And Yuri got a chance to launch another bunch of, disc at me. But anyway, as you can see, this works just fine. And now to get out. This auction includes only the tower here, only the computer, and nothing else. Hopefully anybody who buys this, you should have a PS2 mouse and a PS2 keyboard just to get the thing up and running, so then you can test your hardware for compatibility. I will point out, well, let's point out after I quit. Whoops, let's try it again. There we go.
Battle control terminated.
And let's get out of here. And I'm going to shut her down. It's one of the longer demos I've done, but I'm having a lot of fun doing this. And it's important to know that things actually work before you buy them. Or at least they work when you buy them. So there we go. And I'm going to adjust my... There we go. This machine does have... It has 2 USB ports in front. It was made just as USB was going mainstream, let's say. But only very old or very simple USB mice or keyboards should be plugged into this. I'm using a USB mouse now. It's just a very simple mouse. None of this new gaming stuff, because the drivers probably are not going to run under Windows XP. So this auction includes the install discs. There's Yuri and Red Alert and the Windows operating system. That's it.